Hello, lovebirds. Welcome back to Heartsynk Wisdom, the ultimate destination for relationship insights and advice. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of long-distance relationships. The burning question on everyone's mind: do they really work? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the answers you need to keep the flame alive in your long-distance love story. Before we get started, if you're in a long-distance relationship, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to join our love community. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable insights. Long-distance relationships, often referred to as LDRs, have long been a subject of curiosity, skepticism, and hope. In today's interconnected world, where geographical boundaries are increasingly easy to overcome, many couples find themselves separated by miles and time zones. The question that often lingers in the minds of those in such relationships is, do long-distance relationships really work? We'll explore the dynamics of long-distance love and discover the keys to making it work. Understanding the challenges. Long-distance relationships do come with their own set of unique challenges. The most obvious one is physical separation, which can lead to feelings of loneliness and longing. Additionally, maintaining communication across time zones can be tricky, and trust can be tested when partners are not physically present to reassure each other. But, despite these challenges, long-distance relationships can thrive when both partners are committed and willing to make the necessary efforts. The power of communication. One of the cornerstones of any successful long-distance relationship is effective communication. Thanks to modern technology, couples can stay connected in ways that were unimaginable in the past. Frequent phone calls, video chats, and text messages can help bridge the gap between lovers. Sharing experiences, thoughts, and feelings becomes crucial in maintaining intimacy and emotional connection. Trust and transparency. Trust is paramount in any relationship, but it takes on special significance in long-distance relationships. Transparency is key. Both partners should openly discuss their feelings, concerns, and expectations. Being honest about your intentions and addressing any doubts can strengthen the bond and prevent misunderstandings. Quality over quantity. In long-distance relationships, it's often about quality, not quantity. While being physically together may not always be possible, making the most of the time you have together is vital. Plan visits, create memorable moments, and cherish the time spent in each other's presence. These moments become the glue that holds your relationship together. Setting goals and future plans. Having a vision for the future is vital for long-distance relationships. Knowing that the separation is temporary and that there are plans to eventually be together can provide a sense of purpose and motivation. Discuss your long-term goals, such as closing the distance, and work together to make them a reality. The benefits of independence. Surprisingly, long-distance relationships can offer unique advantages. They allow both partners to maintain their independence, personal growth, and pursue individual interests. These experiences can enrich your relationship by bringing new perspectives and interests to the table. Building a support system. Receiving support from friends and family can be a significant factor in the success of long-distance relationships. Encourage your loved ones to understand and respect your commitment, and don't hesitate to lean on them when times get tough. So, does a long-distance relationship really work? The answer is a resounding yes. While they may require more effort and communication, long-distance relationships can thrive when built on a foundation of trust, transparency, and shared goals. In the end, the strength of your love and your commitment to making it work are the most important factors. With the right mindset and strategies, that's it for today's video, lovebirds. If you found this content valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow LDR warriors. Keep the love alive and remember that your love story is uniquely beautiful. Until next time, stay connected, stay in love, and stay subscribed to Heartsynk Wisdom.